Hello, and the happiest of birthdays to you, Miss Jean, from me, Lydia, as well as the rest of your Porchlight family. We would love to thank you so much for all of your love and support that you have given us throughout all of these years. We have loved seeing you at all the shows, checking you out in the audience, and having all of your support before and after every single production, not only just for Porchlight as an organization, but also for the individual artists like me. We really appreciate everything you do, and thank you for your continued support, and hope you have the most wonderful birthday, and we hope to see you back in the theater soon. The sweetest